Sasa pita. Sawa. Iko sawa?
We are aware about the adverse effects that alcohol and drugs has caused in the entire county, and Turkana is not an exception to it. So today we have dedicated this week from today to Saturday to ensure that every community in Turkana County is reached so that they are aware about the effects of these drugs.
Tunafanya hii kazi pamoja na tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba ile drugs, ile madawa yoyote ambayo inasumbua watu wetu tutai-eradicate. Tutapambana na tutachukua hatua ambayo inastahili.